My name's Alexis. I'm the team lead for one of the conference events called Talk Roundtable. It's going to be like a networking event for students to network for their internship.
I'm Talia Bolachicchio, and I am one of the co-leads for the Before You Get Cancelled Emerge event.
My name is Vanessa Cole, and I am one of the team leads for Real Talk Roundtable.
My name is Dana Falk, and I am a co-lead for Before You Get Cancelled.
Real Talk Roundtable is a speed networking event where media studies students can network with professionals in our field.
Before You Get Cancelled is a social media workshop designed to talk about cancel culture and the importance of social media today in the presence of online branding.
Basically, our team's goal is just to help alleviate that post-graduation stress about finding a job and getting out there and talking to professionals. We wanted to bring in the GH alumni so they could talk about their experience as Guelph-Humber students going out into the workforce.
So we're focusing again on cancel culture and providing guests with social media etiquette, do's and don'ts of social media, and how to use social media for their future careers.
Our goal for the event is to provide students with valuable connections within our